Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Ahewa Steven with my colleague Nawasa Rodrick, and in this video we'll be talking about how artificial intelligence can be used to solve our day-to-day problems. In this particular video, we are looking at how artificial intelligence can be used to solve a problem, football prediction. Football prediction is a big problem to people who participate in sports betting. But football prediction is a method used to predict the outcome of football matches by means of statistical tools through machine learning. The goal of a football match prediction is to outperform the prediction of the bookmakers who use them to set the odds for football matches. This artificial intelligence project will majorly look at how people can use artificial intelligence to get accurate results from their predictions. How artificial intelligence will be applied. As the sports betting industry and technology have grown on a large scale, predicting the outcome of a sports match using technology's approach is now crucial. Humans have a certain limitation when processing a large set of information. Here, artificial intelligence becomes relevant because it can handle vast amounts compared to humans. Artificial intelligence techniques can overcome this issue where people who are interested in sports betting, in particular football, to be able to handle vast amounts of statistical data to help them in their betting. This particular industry of sports has a lot of statistical data which can be overwhelming for a human being. Type of data used in solving this problem. The data that will be used in this project will majorly be statistical data using a statistical approach. These statistics will be based on the past performance of the teams, which will enable them to be ranked. This will ease the comparison of the teams since using a prediction. The participants will be able to study the previous performances of the teams and hence come up with accurate predictions. Differences between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning and unsupervised learning are learning techniques under machine learning. And under supervised learning, you can see that in supervised learning, you train the machine using the data which is labeled. This means the data is always specific. Also in supervised learning, it allows you to collect data or produce a data output from the previous experiences, like football performances. And unsupervised learning, a machine learning technique where you do not need to supervise the model. This means the model is able to run using the algorithm. And also under unsupervised machine learning helps you to find all kinds of unknown data patterns. And in this particular industry, the statistical data has a lot of patterns which may not be clear, but under unsupervised learning, the algorithm helps you to find the unknown patterns. Supervised learning techniques under machine learning, which will be used in this project. Regression is a supervised learning technique of predicting the outcomes of continuously changing data. This technique is used by the people participating in predicting activity, predict the average goals scored by the team, the home advantage, the team's offensive power, and the opponent's defensive rating, which enables people to officially tell the difference between teams and be able to predict correct results. There's also classification and supervised learning. This is a technique of identifying input data as part of a learn group. Algorithm are, Algorithms are compared on how accurately they predict the winner of the match and how precisely they predict how many goals each team will score and the accuracy of the predicted goal difference. Under unsupervised learning techniques, there is clustering and association. Under clustering is a technique of unsupervised learning, grouping together data points with similar data. This is used through observing the build-up plays of the team, starting points of the passes, which is the predictions. Under this, the people who are doing the predicting will be able to see where the plays are beginning from and understand and be able to follow suit in their predictions. Association. Under association, this is a technique of understanding how certain data features connect with other features. It can be used, in an example, can be used in ranks assigned to the teams to do not differentiate between the attacking and defensive strength. This is the prediction process of the people participating. Thank you. My colleague will take up from here.
Hello guys, my name is Nawasa Rodrick. I'm taking on from my colleague at Stop. AI technical challenges likely to be faced. Limited knowledge. There are few people who are aware of the artificial intelligence in football prediction. There is a possibility of lacking some knowledge about the game of football. This affects people who don't know about the game of football and are ignorant about it, so they may not really follow up AI having helped them in football prediction. Data privacy and security. This may result into limited data sets to build a model. This comes with probably the teams failing to give out adequate information about the players to in order to make data sets that will help in predicting the results. Bias. Some people are biased about the use of AI based on personal beliefs and religion, gender. Yeah. Possible solutions of the likely challenges. Sensitizing people about the advantages of AI in the sports prediction business. Ensuring confidentiality in the datasets obtained to protect the privacy and identity of certain companies and teams from which it was obtained. Educating people about the use of AI to overcome the bias on such developments. Differences between accuracy, recall, precision, and F1 score. With accuracy, it's a most intuitive performance measure, and it is a simple ratio of correctly predicted observation to the total observations. Then recall is a correctly predicted positive observation to all observation in an actual class. Precision. Precision is a ratio of correctly predicted positive observations to the total predicted positive observations. F1 score. F1 score is a weighted average of the precision and the recall. AI evaluation metrics for this project. Classification accuracy. Classification accuracy is a ratio of the number of correct predictions to the total number of input sample. People will be able to get the number of correct predictions and the total predictions to be able to evaluate their accuracy. F1 score. F1 score is used to measure a test's accuracy. F1 score is a harmonic mean between the precision and recall. It is able to give highly accurate predictions. So these are the links to all the resources we use to get the information here. So in case you want more detailed information, you can follow one of the links in these references here to get more about the information we got. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel.